Hello, this is Tahira Noor and today I'll share with you different stages of funding for your startup. When you invest your savings in your venture, that is bootstrapping. Founders generally bootstrap their venture at the initial stages when they're building the product and the prototype. Seed funding is an investment made at the preliminary stage of the startup. Founders can raise seed-level fundings from angel investors, friends, family and acquaintances. You can either offer them interest or equity in your startup in exchange for the capital. Venture capitalists are institutional investors that invest in a startup in exchange for equity or shares. They own a certain percentage or right in the company they invest in. They generally come in the picture after the company has developed a basic prototype and business model. There are various levels or series of venture funding. At Series A level, startups use the funding for expanding their team and business, getting office space, among other things. The average funding amount is $5 million and the average company valuation at this stage is $10 million to $20 million. If your startup is doing well, then you raise another round or series of funding to expand and scale your business further. The average funding amount for Series B is $20 million and the average company valuation is between $40 million to $60 million. Similarly, to further scale your startup, you can raise Series Cs and beyond. If your company becomes very big in the meantime, you can file for an IPO. IPO or the initial public offering is the first time you will be offering the share of your private limited company to the public. Only a minuscule number of startups are able to become that huge. Filing an IPO is complicated and requires a lot of documentation and criteria to be fulfilled. For a startup, to file an IPO is to enter a prestigious and elite group. The company, after filing an IPO, no more stays a startup and a private limited venture. Hope you enjoyed this video. For more such videos, subscribe to Entrepreneur India channel.